Hello everybody. I think this is different. This is different post. I was checking my video in my channel, who views which country, and then I bump into this country here that's strange, that I don't know, never heard of, Namibia, and there's one view there. And then I was curious, so I came and checked the map. Where's that? And then there we go. I came across when I was checking, and I zoom and zoom. I'm gonna show you the actual name. Here's the country. One of my viewers is from there, so I was kind of curious. Where's this country come from? Then I checked the map, Google Map, and then I always like rocks like this. Rock, I never been into a place like this. So it keeps zooming and zooming and zooming, zoom and zoom, and zoom. Yeah, until I came across with this image here, right here. This full image right here. Pretty much look like humans or animals. There's the eye, the alienic type of eye right there. One eye, and the other eye is different. This is like human eye, I think. And the nose part right here, pretty much disintegrated, and there's no mouth, you can see. This material here is different, and this, as you can see, the contour right here, this is the like arm. See the arm, and this is the body part. What makes me curious is in here, in this part here, this is rocks. So I'm only kind of curious if this is a fossil or just a rock forming like a human image like this one here. A human or animal, I don't know. But I can see the arm is right here, and the shoulder goes to the head, and the eyes, alienic eye right here. This eye is nice. Right here. This is pretty huge, I think. See? You know, how many kilometers is this? This is Google Maps. See those the rivers in there? See those? Wow. Very nice. So look at that. It's like a human. Pretty much like a human being. Or maybe an animal, you know. That is huge. If it's human, that's huge. Occupies the whole city. This is, see the arm? Very nice. Look like, too bad there's no legs. I can see. Maybe this is the knee right here. See that? They're always like rocks, rocky mountains like this. So when I came across with this nice little image here, so I just thought that some viewers maybe want to see this for entertainment. This is not part of the engineering, which is my channel is all about, but it's nice to post this as well. It's I like the way I discovered this. I bump into human figure, look like an animal. There's an arm, there's eye, there's nose, complete. I don't know. To me, this material is different. Yeah, again, yeah, it's a good discovery. I like image like this. I like that. See that? See that? And then yeah, oh, look like a really big eye right there, alien. And then I zoom back in the distance, like this. This place is solid rock, man. Wow. And there we go, there's water, there's Pacific Ocean, I think, yeah. Namibia. Pacific Ocean. Yeah, South Africa, wow, right here. South Africa. Alright, I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. I know this is not part of the engineering, but it's nice to have entertainment sometimes. You don't need to be so serious about engineering stuff, you know, you need to have entertainment sometimes. So thanks for watching anyways. Bye bye.